In this tutorial I will show you how to make FireVFX in After Effects. Files I used in this tutorial are in description. Open After Effects. Import the files. Import the clip you want to put fire. And here you can select the preview quality. I'll put the lowest. Right-click and create a null object. Go to area where you want to start tracking. Click on Track Motion. Now adjust the tracker and click on the play. Click on Edit Target and select the null and apply. Now add the fire. Change the mode to lighten. If you can't see the mode option, then click on this. Now adjust the fire where your hand opens. Now drag this spiral and put it on null object. Adjust the fire in hand. And now cut the part where your hands close. You can cut the layer by Shift plus Control plus D. And delete it. And now let's create fade out animation. For that, select the fire clip and press T. Add keyframe and make opacity to 0. Go few frames back and add keyframe and make opacity 100. It created this fade out animation. Optional if the fire in your hand doesn't look accurate. Then you can add this effect liquefy to adjust fire. Mine is okay, but if yours doesn't look good, you can add. You can do like this. I don't need this, so I'll delete this. Now add another fire. And change the mode to lighten. And adjust it with our another fire. Drags the spiral on the null object. Adjust it and make it smaller than our last fire. Press S on the second fire for scaling.
I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Press Shift plus Control plus D to cut the layer. And delete it. And now again create the fade out animation, like before.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
Adjust it as you like.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the
Optional, if you want to add blur to your fire, you can. Add Gaussian blur. Add to your both clips. Don't give too much blur. Around 10 will be fine. And now add curves. Just do as I do, and it's also optional. Add it to both clips.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
And now important effect Deep Glow. Add to both clips. If you don't have it, download it from Google.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
I made a mistake. Turn the mode to screen. Instead of lighten in both clips. And if you want the glow to spread a lot, then increase the radius. Now we want to add glow to our hand. For that, duplicate the main clip by Ctrl plus D and take the pen tool. Click on this dot. Now start. It shouldn't need to be perfect because we will add feather.
I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And change the mode to add. And click on the another dot too. Press M on the layer to open mask settings. And open the other settings. And now let's add feather. 39 will be okay.
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to
Disable both dots.
and we'll grow in number. Fueled
And adjust the layer with our hand.
horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
And let's create the fade in animation. Add a keyframe in the beginning and make the opacity 0. Go few frames ahead and add another keyframe and make the opacity 100. And let's add the fireflies to give realistic look to fire. Change the mode to screen. And adjust it with fire.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
And press R for rotation.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the
Adjust it with fire.
till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
And we haven't adjusted the before hand glow clip, so adjust that too. Press Shift plus Control plus D to cut the layer and delete it. Let's add the audio. So this was all. This video took a lot of time to create. So I hope you enjoyed, and if you get any problem then comment it. I will try to solve it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.